How to convert iPhone video to slow motion. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can slow down a regular video on your iPhone, and more importantly, how you can shoot better videos in the future to make them easier to slow down. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So first, I'll quickly show you how to adjust the speed of videos that were originally shot in the slow motion mode. So open the Photos app and find slow-mo video you have taken up and simply tap on it. Now tap on the adjustment icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And now you will see little slider at the bottom, and the line indicates the fast and slow part of your clip. You can adjust this slider to customize which part of the video are slowed down and sped up. Just slide it to your desired settings. And that's for the slow-mo video. But how to slow down regular videos? For the videos that were not shot in the slow motion, you need to use a third-party app called CapCut. It's free and super easy to use. So go ahead and download it from the App Store. And once you have installed it, simply open the app. Now tap on the new projects right here and import any video that you want to slow down. This can be regular video, not just slow-mo. Now on the timeline, make sure the video clip is selected. And after selecting the video clip, at the bottom you will see the several controls. From there, simply tap on speed icon. And here you will have three options: normal, curve and velocity effects. And for this video, we just use the two options, that is normal and curve. But first, let's go with the normal. So normal speed adjustment. The 1x is a normal speed, but you can adjust it by sliding it to 0.5x to slow the video down by half. You can go even further and slow it down more, but keep in mind that the video might become choppy. This happens because the frame rate isn't high enough to handle the slowdown smoothly. And for this, I can give you some tip. To avoid these choppy effects, it's best to shoot your video at a higher frame rate. By default, most videos are shot in 30 or 25 fps, but if you set it to 60 fps, you will have much more flexibility to slow down your footage later without it looking awkward. And here is how you can set this up. So simply open the camera app, and once you have opened it, simply tap on the quality button in the corner and change the frame rate to 60 fps. And to make this as a default settings, you can go to the settings, and once you're there, you can simply scroll down and tap on camera. And in this section, you can set the quality to 60 fps. And shooting 60 fps gives you smoother and more professional look, especially when slowing the footage down. And with that, now let's take a look at the curve option in CapCut. This is a bit more advanced because it allows you to adjust the speed of your video in the non-linear way. For example, you can start with a normal speed and gradually speed up and then slow it down again toward the end. This option gives you much more flexibility, but you can take a bit longer to get it right. And that's it for today's video. I hope this helped you to understand how to slow down videos on your iPhone and shoot smoother videos for future. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.